Hi, well, welcome to Beans, Brews and Bread for the end of July. We've had a bit of a break because we've had the most ridiculous hot weather and heat wave in the UK. But today, towards the end of July, starting to rain. Go and have a look at the plot. Look at all this, all them tomatoes. So here at the front of the plot, we managed to get some usable onions, which we've put under the cloches to dry off and carry on. A few have gone to seed and bolted, but they're only little uns. So we'll see what we get now. We then harvested the elephant garlic. Now look at the size of those bad boys. Absolutely gorgeous looking. So we kept those under the cloches in case we got a bit of rain, which we have today. So I'm gonna get those collected and got back to the house to dry. So very happy with that. So we've got a few spots here. This was where the broad beans were. You can see the last remaining plant over there. So quite a nice harvest of broad beans, and we've dried a few as well. So they're up and out. We've got some beetroot as well. We've got a few chicory, whitleaf chicory here as well, which hopefully to force next year. Then had the peas here, which we've pulled up, and I don't know if you've been watching Hugh's videos, but he's been sort of dropping his weeds and green material onto the spots where he'd harvested. So we've done that here. A bit easier than getting them over to the compost heap anyway. Then we had you can see here a few volunteer potato plants, but yeah, very happy with the peas this year, really good. And then here we've got dwarf French beans. They've really worked well interplanted with the celery, which is up this end. So got some celery plants here. They should be very grateful for the damp weather today. And yeah, quite a few there. They're looking really good. Very happy with those. And then back up at this end, we have the celeriac. Again, interplanted with a few dwarf French beans, but they're looking really good. And then over here, got the tomatoes. Now we've had a lot of volunteers here, but they're coming up ripening nicely, those cherry. And then I think we'll just see what we get from this section. Quite a few volunteers. I've no idea what's here or there. Lots of bits and bobs interplanted. But this one's doing absolutely cracking. This is the Gina. That's doing really well. These are all, well, apart from the volunteers, F1 blight resistant varieties. So very happy with that. Very good with the tomatoes. Now we've left a bit of a space here. I have to pull up some of these for the very late sowings of climbing French beans. And then the potatoes, this is the main crop. And we've cleared the section there where the new potatoes were. So some really good new potatoes. And we did a few cabbages in here as well. Again, probably a bit worse for wear. Some collards in there. Some sprouting green. Broccoli, maybe a couple of cauliflower if I'm lucky, but not looking bad at all. Over here with the raised bed, you can just see, obviously with the hotbed, just how much this has dropped. You can remember see some of the other videos. I put a link up above for some of those, but they were very, very successful, the lettuces. But we've sown a few lettuce in here. Don't know whether we'll get any germination, but yeah, very happy with that. Really sunk low. And then over here we've got one surviving cucumber plant. So no idea what we'll get with that, but hopefully still got a few little turnips in there. Again, little hotbed. And then we've interplanted a few courgettes. Don't know whether we'll get anything out of those before it gets too cold, but fingers crossed that should do quite nicely. Then we've got the strawberry bed, which has given us some nice harvests of little strawberries. First year, and we'll get that trimmed up and tidied up, and Very happy to see that. We've got a little bit of the fruit section sorted. So thank you for watching the tour for July. We'll have another one for August. Maybe do a couple of other videos, sort of see how we get on with those cloches and the courgettes and the late sowing of the climbing French beans. It might be too late, but see if we can get those in and get some crops before it gets too cold. But thanks for watching. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up. Again, if you want to share it with anybody, particularly if you want to have a look at some of the videos on the hotbed and see how high that was when we get it started this year. But yeah, it's great if we've got continued salad crops, and very happy with how that's gone this year. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.